Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb from Strangers. Okay, so first you have to do is get to where I am right now, and how you get there is at the bottom of the screen. As you can see, there are 5 icons. You have to click on the one that is on the bottom right corner, the me icon, and that's how you get to where I am right now. Once you're here, we're going to look at the top right corner. There are 2 icons, a settings icon and a little person icon. So we're going to click on the settings icon. And after we're here, as you can see, there are a lot of options. But we're going to click on the first one, the privacy option. And as you can see, hide your location, hide your online status, hide your recent active time, common post, and then we have do not disturb from strangers. All you have to do is flick the switch, and that's about it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys!